Gentlemen, why are you wearing a skirt? Why? Real talk, if your shorts are too long, too baggy, or just plain wrong, then you might as well wear a skirt. And no, I'm not joking, because nothing ruins a man's outfit faster than a bad pair of shorts. It throws off your proportions, messes with your confidence, and screams, I have no idea what I'm doing. But today, we fix all that. I'm about to give you the ultimate shorts guide so that no matter your style, body type, or even your budget, you finally know how to wear shorts like a grown man. Let's dive in. You see, guys, the whole point of clothing is to wear something that enhances your look and not something that takes away from it or makes you look sloppy. But when it comes to shorts, I don't know the reason. I don't know whether it's because it is a casual outfit, but most men you see out there are just wearing them wrong. So I'm about to uncover the 7 rules every man should follow when wearing shorts, types you should own and avoid, and how to never look like a tourist lost at the mall. Rule number 1, fit comes first. Let's begin with a golden rule. Your shorts should fit like tailored pants. That is to say that it should have a clean line down the leg, no ballooning at the thighs, and definitely no extra fabric flaring out like a skirt. Your shorts should sit flat against your waist and taper slightly as you go down. So a tailored fit means that your shorts should be closer to your body. That is to say, they should gently hug your thighs and not strangle them. Now, when it comes to shorts, length matters more than most men think. Because what you see out there is that some men either wear their shorts too short, exposing so much thigh, or too long, like beyond their knee level. Here is how to remember this. Your shorts should end 1 or 2 inches above your knee. Not on your knee, not below it, 1 or 2 inches above it. That's the sweet spot. If you go 3 inches and more above, you risk exposing too much thigh. When it is too long, especially below the knee, you shorten your frame. And when it's too short, you look like someone going for a sprint or going to swim. Applying the rule of thirds helps here. So make sure that 1/3 of your leg is covered by your shorts and 2/3 show. This creates a proportional athletic silhouette on almost any body type. Rule number 3, choose the right type. When it comes to shorts, you've got tons of options, and that's the reason why you see men wearing the wrong one at the wrong time. You have those with a flat front, you have pleated shorts, you have denim, you have madras, you have cargo, you even have tropical wool. But here's the thing. Flat front shorts are your MVP. This is because they are clean, classy, and can go from casual hangout to rooftop dinner in one outfit change. Based on fabric, there are natural and synthetic or man-made fabrics used in shorts. For natural, we have cotton, which have medium wrinkling resistance and mostly in twill weaves used in chino shorts, which are your most formal of shorts. A natural fabric like linen is very breathable but also wrinkles easily. Their breathability makes them good for summer shorts. For synthetic or man-made fabrics, we have the polyester, nylon, or spandex, and you would mostly find this kind of fabrics used in shorts that are meant for swimwear, athletic, and sports shorts. They are mostly not too breathable to be worn all day long, but Here is the mistake most men make. I find men walking around in sports shorts all day. Such fabrics are not meant to be used all day. You'd even go as far as seeing men walking in town with swim shorts. And please, I don't know your take on cargo pants, but I personally feel that cargo pants there are too many pockets on the cargo pants, and it affects your proportions. So please save your cargos and board shorts for the beach. Seriously, don't wear what you surf in to a brunch date. Who does that? Now, when it comes to length, the most common short length you'll see would be 3 inches, 5 inches. These two are mostly for swim, athletic, or running, or sportswear. Then for the more casual ones and dressy ones, you'd find 7 inches, and you'd also find 9 inches inseams as well for taller guys. When it goes beyond 9, then you are going into the too long regions. The shoes you choose to wear with your shorts will either make or break your look, because your shoes determine whether your shorts outfit is a laid-back vibe or elevated. So canvas sneakers are casual cool. Loafers or boat shoes are for a sharp and dressy look. Flip-flops, only if there is sand in sight, only if you are at the beach or something. But even that, nah, no flip-flops. For sandals, or what we call slippers in this part of the world, you can do the leather ones with your shorts, depending on your culture, right? But please, never wear boots with your shorts. It kills the entire vibe. The rule here is that you shouldn't wear shoes that go above your ankle when you're wearing shorts. Rather, use low-cut shoes that will complement the aesthetics of your shorts. Someone might ask, should I tuck my shirt in with the shorts or not? Well, this one gets a little tricky. So let me give you the cheat sheet right here. T-shirts, never tuck. Polos, very rarely. Button downs, sometimes, if you're trying to give up a smart casual vibe. However, if you do tuck, wear a belt that matches your shoes, and make sure the tuck looks intentional. No half in, half out business. Now, for your color and fabric choices, I'll suggest that you go with neutral colors because of versatility. Think beige, navy, gray, dark brown. These can go with almost everything in your wardrobe. But if you want to experiment and try some colors, then go for pastels like mint and lavender. The trick, though, is that if you're wearing bold color shorts or one with patterns, then keep the top simple and plain. And when it comes to fabrics, cotton twill should be your everyday go-to, linen for your summer, and then tropical wool to give you that luxury flex. In all you do, avoid synthetic fabrics unless you are headed to the gym. And the final rule is to know when not to wear shorts. This might sound obvious, but let's loud it. Let's say it louder for the people in the back. Shorts are casual wear, not for business meetings, not for weddings, and not for church. So keep them for the beach, your laid-back Saturdays, vacations, or social events with a relaxed dress code. And here's the final thing I want you to remember. Shorts are like punctuation in your outfit. Done well, they finish the sentence. Done wrong, the whole look falls apart. And now that you've got the ultimate shorts guide, you're ready to step out and stand out even on your most casual days. Now let me know in the comments which of these rules surprised you the most. Let's know in the comments below. I answer every one of them. And if you found this video useful, then you would like this other one. See you there.